Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to recover deleted drafts in Gmail. So let's go to the Gmail first. Then you have to go to this draft option, click on draft, and like I'm deleting this draft. Okay, now you can undo this draft again to recover it. Click on undo and this draft will be here. But if you delete a draft and you do not undo it, how you can recover it? You have to go to this more option, then you'll be find here this trash. Click on trash, and then you'll find here all drafts or all deleted uh, messages or deleted mails will be here. If you want to recover a draft mail, you have to click on this select and right click, and you can see here move to inbox. Or if you want to move to another, you can click on this move to, and you'll find here the folder you want to move to. Okay, I'm moved to inbox, that's why I'm clicking on this, and you can see that action has been completed. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.